Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install the latest Intel Bluetooth drivers, then watch this video. So for that I'll go to the browser and I will look for Intel Bluetooth driver, and then I will click on this link, Intel wireless Bluetooth drivers for Windows 10 and 11, and I will look for the latest version obviously, and then I will click on the download link. I'll accept the terms of the license agreement and it should download automatically. Now, very important thing is, before you install this drivers, you need to disconnect any Bluetooth devices. So go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, and then you need to switch off Bluetooth, which is a better option, or you need to remove the devices. So remove all connected devices and you need to switch off Bluetooth devices so that you can know if any Bluetooth device which you don't know about is connected or not. Even your Bluetooth mouse, that is the mouse which using the dongle, you need to remove that because this will upgrade all your Bluetooth drivers. And now once you have downloaded this, let's go to downloads. All right, we'll open this folder and we'll right click on it and then click on run as administrator. And it's taking some time. So we'll right click as administrator, click on next, and then we'll run the wizard and it should update to your Bluetooth drivers. So just to make the computer ready, we'll click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart, which is better done after every driver update or Windows update. And this is how you download and install your latest Intel Bluetooth drivers. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.